Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter 2, exponent of real numbers. Okay, exercise 2.1. Now before discussing question, there are some basic formulas. Okay, what is the formulas? When a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, means in multiplication of any two real numbers, powers are added in same real numbers. Okay, now in division the powers are subtracted. A to the power a divide a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, ab to the power n. Okay, it means a to the power n into b to the power n. A by b whole to the power n, it means a to the power n by b to the power n. A to the power minus n means 1 by a to the power n. Okay, reciprocal of a. Okay, negative power means reciprocal. Now a to the power a by b to the power minus n means b by a to the power n. Okay, here some more examples, formulas. If a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then m is equal to n. It means when base are equal, powers are also equal. Okay, now a to the power m is equal to b to the power m, then a is equal to b. It means when powers are equal, base are also equal. Okay, now a to the power 0 is equal to 0. It means any real number whose power is 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now root a means a to the power half. Okay, root means power half. Now here some example, simplify the following. Okay, 3 into a to the power 4 b to the cube to the power 10. Okay, into 5 into a square b square to the power whole cube. Okay, now from this formula we have to multiply it. Okay, so a to the power 4 into 10 means 4 tens are 40 into b to the power 3 into 10 means b to the 3 tens are 30. Okay, now here a to the power 6 into b to the power 6, 2 3 is 6. Okay, now numbers are multiplied, 3 5 are 15. Okay, a into a, powers are added. Okay, so a to the power 40 plus a to the power 6 into b to the power 30 plus b to the power 6. Okay, 3 5 is 15, and here 15 a to the power 46 b to the power 36. Okay, now second question is third question. Okay, third question is 4 into 10 to the power 7 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, so we can write 4 into 10 to the power 7 into, here we put multiplication sign, 6 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, by 8 into 10 to the power 4. We know 4 6 is 24 into, here power is plus and here power is minus, so plus minus minus, so we subtract 7 minus 5. Okay, Now here we cut 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So we write 3 into 10 to the power 7 minus 5 comes 10 to the square. Okay, here is power square, here is power 4. So we cut is completely, and here we cut power 2 and write here 2. Now 3 by 10 to the square means 3 by 100. Okay. Now what is the question number 5th? Question number 5th is x square y square to the power n by a square bq to the power n. Okay, so we can write x to the power 2n into y to the power 2n by a to the power 2n into b to the power 3n. Okay, very simple, complete. Now here question number 4. Here this is the question. So plus minus 4 5s are 20. Okay, a and a square, b square and b cube. We know powers are added, so b square and b cube we write b5. Okay, now 10 a square b square, we can cancel 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is square also cancel, and we cut here b square completely, but here we cut only powers and write here 3 because there are 2 powers cut and 3 powers remaining. Okay, remaining 3 powers. So what is the result? Minus 2 b cube. Okay, now question number 6. A to the power 3n minus 9 to the whole 6. Okay, by a to the power 2n minus 4. Okay, now we multiply 6 3 is 18 minus 9 6 is 54. Okay, now divide means power subtracted. Okay, so we subtract 2n minus 4 from 18n minus 54. Okay, we know 18n minus 24 minus 2n minus plus. Okay, when we subtract 18n and 2n we get 16n minus 54 plus 4 is equal to minus 15. So this is the result. Now this question also very simple. If a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 2, find the values of a to the power a plus b to the power b. We know value of a is 3, so 3 to the power 3 plus what is the value of b? Minus 2. Minus 2 to the power minus 2. We know in minus power we convert it into fraction or reciprocal. Okay, so we convert minus 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, now 3 to the power cube means 27. Okay, now here square of any negative integer is also positive, so we write 1 by 4 because square of 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4. Now when we added 27 plus 1 by 4 we get 109 by 4. Okay, this is the second question. A to the power b plus b to the power a. We put here 3 to the power minus 2 because value of a is 3 and value of b is minus 2, and here minus 2 to the power cube. Now here also we can write 1 by 3 to the power 2 because here is minus power, so power becomes positive when we write in fraction. Okay, now plus we know cube of 2 is 8, but here we write negative sign because power 3 is odd number, so we take here minus. Okay, plus minus minus, and here Square of 1 is 1 and square of 3 is 9. So we subtract 1 by 9 minus 8. We take LCM and we subtract easily. We get minus 71 by 9. This question, a plus b to the power ab. It means value of a is 3 plus value of b is minus 2. So we put it in bracket and here we take second bracket, and a into b means 3 into minus 2. So 3 plus minus minus 2, and here plus minus minus 3 to just 6. Okay, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 to the power minus 6. Power of 1, any power of 1, any powers becomes 1. Okay, so here answer is the 1.